So today we're going to talk about the A through D forms. So this is the table of contents with all of the forms and then each critique. For Form A, I went to the general meeting for the Health Science Student Association. And this meeting was the first one, so it was really just introducing students to what HSSA is and what they do, and then the groups like Student Health Services and Health Resource Center that are affiliated or like they work with each other. This meeting I think was super great because it introduced to me all of the opportunities that I have at Long Beach with just clubs and stuff and volunteering. I didn't know, so I'm volunteering like outside of school, but now it's great to know that I can volunteer for the Student Health Services or really get involved with HSSA to really figure out what it is health science will bring to me. For Form B, I did a Wellness Wednesday. And this Wellness Wednesday was about sleeping, which was really ironic because half of the time that she was talking about sleep, she was talking about how caffeine isn't really good for sleeping, and I had a coffee, so I was like, oh, well. But anyway, it was super interesting because as college students, it's kind of hard to maintain a steady sleep schedule, so this gave a really general but also detailed basis of why we should get our 6 to 8 hours of sleep and how to help us sleep longer and fall asleep faster. I also thought this was really great because they provided sandwiches because the meeting was at 12:30. So if people were going and they had class right before, they had class right after, they gave them lunch. So that was really nice. For Form C, I did a sexual health tabling with the Health Science Student Association. I thought this event was super educational and also a really good way for the Health Science Student Association to introduce themselves to people because many people came by and asked about what we are and what they do. And it was also really great to introduce the basic concepts of sexual health in a non-embarrassing or uncomfortable way because it is a kind of uncomfortable subject. The activities that we had were really very engaging and they weren't super revealing, so it was really a great way to introduce the sexual health topics. And they also provided candy, which I thought was really nice also, and condoms. And then for Form D, I did volunteering at the Urban Community Outreach. This is a group that they hold meals every Sunday at a church in downtown Long Beach. And my job, as you can see the clothes in that bottom left-hand picture, I was supposed to manage the clothing table because they had a giveaway. So here you can see there's over 100 people at the event, and there was people lined up around the building to come, and this volunteering opportunity was very, very humbling to me because the amount of homelessness in Long Beach goes very much unnoticed. And so it was great to see that there actually are organizations and there are places for them to go. Even though it's not a shelter, it's a place for them to go and connect with other people who aren't judging them or who they know that they're not thinking bad of them. It's like a safe place for them to go, no matter if they are homeless or maybe they're in poverty. It's a really good organization that tends to the homeless population. And then this is my current resume. I have education, volunteering, leadership, work experience, and then skills.